Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where you join me in my Range Rover Sports SVR, where we're just about to get things underway. My last video you would have seen, I was talking about new cars coming to my garage, etc. Today, it's going to be a bit of like a Q&A style video. Mr. TGE, he has not been on my channel for roughly 3-4 months, maybe more. I don't know. It's been a bit of a while. Last year we filmed a lot more than we have done this year. Schedules have been crazy, but today he is going to be next to me. There is a bit of negativity that's going to come in this video because there's an incident which has happened to my SVR. It happened, I think it happened last night, but we're going to talk all about it and we're going to show you what's happened. It's nothing serious, but it's just a little bit annoying when someone kind of drives into your car. You can come in now if you want.
Okay, can I?
We'll introduce you outside because that's better.
Okay, I'll wait for here.
And here he is, Mr. TG.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet, Archie.
Oh, you're not ready. What are you trying to do?
I'm ready now. Maybe continue. I'm back on the channel.
More was actually going to be on your channel as well. Are you posting a video tonight as well?
Yeah, why we stopped talking.
Oh, that's
live on my channel. You've got an hour before it goes live.
More to the point. What do you think to the SVR? It's the first time you've seen. I mean, you can take the key off here if you want, but you. No? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So the damage, yeah, I like the car a lot, but the damage it really got to me, Archie. I must.
It's annoying, isn't it?
Yeah. I had to wipe a tear from my eye.
It's not serious. Let's just reiterate that.
It's not ideal. It's not what you want just before Christmas.
No, someone's just in a car park has kindly just driven into it. We'll talk about it in the middle, but more to the point, the damage is on the front, not on the back. What do you think to the car?
It looks amazing. I've actually not seen this SVR yet at all in any guise, let alone.
You've never seen an SVR?
I've not seen your black SVR with a carbon bonnet, Archie.
Yes.
So yeah, you've done the wheels. They're really nice actually.
Urban.
I usually hate aftermarket wheels. Most people know that, but they actually look good.
People probably want your opinion because you are quite a you're quite fussy about cars.
Cool. Yeah. No, I think that it improves the look of the car. Sat on big wheels, just rolling around slowly, staring at people out the window. It's good.
Do you have
nice vibe.
And you've got one coming actually, don't you?
Range Rover, yeah, but a proper one, not that.
Oh. An SVR is the best, but you're more of a different
Vogue man, aren't you?
Yes, you're more of a Vogue man. Today, you've been actually filming in this, which is your Ferrari F12.
Yeah.
Can we see it?
Yeah, we can go and have a look.
Okay.
I'm about to make a really good video, so.
How have you been anyway? It's been like 3 months.
Yeah, it's been 3 months.
It's really nice.
Is it the best car I have, Archie?
Arguably yes. Arguably yes. I think an F12 is rich. Are you keeping it? Yes or no?
Yeah, I don't want to ever sell it. It's just great.
What would you replace an F12 with?
You can't. There isn't anything.
Holding value actually. A nice spec F12.
Not creeping up. The gap between the crummy ones and the good ones is getting bigger. So you can pick up crummy ones for a lot less than you could pick up crummy ones last.
Same with GT3 RS.
Yeah. So what happens with the older cars? The gulf between them just widens. The creme de la creme stays at the top, and then the crummy ones go.
Oh, I see. Yeah. We can go on a track day if you want. In this.
I'm not tracking an F12. No. What was the last grey F12 you saw on track?
Last grey F12 that was on track ended up. I think
on its roof.
Yeah.
Did it reach the roof?
Yeah. It was one of
But they will.
If
you're not very good.
If you're not careful, they will go. Very quickly.
They'll go on you, and there will be no returning it.
But we are going to go for a drive. I'm going to take you for a spin in the SVR.
I'm excited.
You've actually heard it, and what do you think?
Make that noise stop, or?
Yeah, exhaust button.
Keep it off. Tape it down.
What's going on? It's been a bit of a time.
We're gonna cover our falling out in my video.
Yeah, but I mean we didn't. Yeah, okay. Well, we can. We can't. I can't give too much away.
Why we stopped speaking? The real reason we stopped speaking.
The real reason we stopped speaking. What's been going on? Have you bought anything? Have you stopped buying?
I've got a new supercar coming, and that lands at the end of December.
Okay.
And that was a sporadic purchase. Ordered it 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Knew of the car and the deal 5 hours before it was all confirmed. Finance went through within a few hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's coming. So that'll be probably like a European car. I'll take it abroad.
I have heard the sort of the car you are getting.
I'll show you pictures.
Oh, we're back.
So you were just boasting to me about that GoPro mount. That's terrible.
Talk about. Well, first of all, SVR is actually chaos. This is cool to be in. And the first time you've been in one for a while.
Do you find the wheels make it more uncomfortable?
I've been asked this, and no.
So
I would have noticed in terms of if there was a big problem with it. I would have actually noticed.
Right. Okay.
But everything's been good. It's been an awesome car actually.
When you go over bumps, do you get any like bottoming out, any like scraping, anything like that?
No, it seems fine.
I remember I put like 22-inch wheels or something ridiculous on my 1989 Clio when I was a kid, and it just scraped. Like literally anything other than in a straight line over flat ground, you just got scraping noises everywhere. It was carnage.
Yeah, I mean that's not actually.
I mean, totally uninsured, I'm sure.
And now, funny enough, we actually speak about this on insurance.
Yep.
Because I've had to notify my insurance company on everything. In terms of, before I've even left, I've told my insurance company that I've changed the wheels. Before I've even left, I've told them that I've actually added carbon fibre to it. Everything.
You have to.
Yeah?
You've got to be squeaky clean on insurance.
Are you selling any cars? People might want to know.
Potentially, as I said in one of my last videos, potentially the 458 in spring.
Yeah.
Just because I don't, three Ferraris is just stupid.
It is a bit stupid.
It's just stupid.
But there's another one which you're actually interested in, which I'm not going to talk about.
That is a very cool car. Yeah, I mean, I can't make it 4.
No.
I mean, I can just go and get it.
No, but then you wouldn't be able to afford it.
I beg to differ.
Okay, well if that's what you think.
Quite a good couple of months.
Okay, well that's fine. I mean, that's
not good
in the months where we've not seen each other. You've got a dog, and yeah.
And crisps.
No, the dog is called Crisps.
There's a joke there, aren't you?
Ah, right. I see what you mean. And a girlfriend.
Can we add a little
and a girlfriend
to it as
and a
well?
girlfriend.
No, again, you missed the joke.
Oh, right.
The joke was there.
Okay. Yeah.
The dog is the girlfriend.
Oh.
It's not so funny now I've said it. It's actually quite offensive.
Oh. Yeah. Now that actually is Now you're actually going to get in trouble. The one car I am going to talk to you about.
Yeah.
We're just going to park this up because this is pointless. We're just going to stop driving.
Driving around a car park in a circle is pointless. Nah.
One thing we're going to talk about is Defender. That's going up in price.
Yeah.
That's good.
Probably do a separate video on it, and the title will be something like I made £25,000 on my Defender, or how I made 25.
Yes. Okay, we're going to move on because people have clicked on this video for a reason, potentially.
Yeah.
Someone crashed into my Range Rover.
You got crashed into?
Yeah, and this is actually really annoying because in London, I try and not park this car on the street as limited as I can. I'm quite reserved in that respect because I do know that they are
very highly stolen.
Yes, they are highly stolen. So someone in my car park drove into it. I think, and CCTV will tell me more, but what has happened is someone has properly whacked the front left.
Give it a good old shunting.
Yeah, we'll overlay images because it is actually fairly annoying.
Taken on the Huawei?
Correct. I don't know whether I'm being petty, but I am actually very annoyed about the whole thing.
Oh, no, it needs paint now.
It needs paint.
Yeah.
And that's the bit which gets me.
You left it didn't need paint, you came back to it, and it needed paint.
This is my problem.
That's a perfectly reasonable gripe.
It was obviously a white car because there was white all around the front left.
People in white cars. Just annoyed a lot of people there.
That's not good.
Yeah, they're all fine.
But yeah, so basically what it needs now, it needs a Danny SVR. Danny SVR is a paint repair man, and that's basically what it needs.
He's a magician. And he's got SVR in his name.
SVR in his name. But honestly, the thing is, where someone's literally I don't actually know if it's happened. I don't know whether someone's gone past it, whether, you know, it was poking out a bit or not. Hopefully not, because I try and park my car as well. And it's literally just been clipped.
I don't know how you do that in your car park. It's not a thing. Don't even, any of the current lot? I don't know. I just know it's happened to me before.
But at this point,
cracked carbon fibre before.
Probably £1,000 or something to fix it. Maybe a little bit less, dependent on how, you know.
Yeah, depends.
But if you went to a rough place to get this sort of stuff fixed, it's probably £1,000 worth of damage to get it fixed, because it is the top and it goes down to the bottom and the bottom lip, etc. I don't know whether it's gone through the carbon fibre on the top, on the front.
Oh, you
left.
hope not. That gets really expensive because if it messes with the weave, then you've had it.
The problem is, if it's had a knock, it's going to probably affect the carbon on the front as well. So I might have to get that replaced as well.
Oh, that'd be fun. Merry Christmas.
So all of that. But anyway, that's my update today. Someone's driven into it, but all will be sorted, and when it's sorted, it will look like brand new, and it will be fine.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's not done any chassis damage, has it? It's fine. It's just cosmetic.
Tell me, track series. There we go. We'll go around the track.
Teaching TG track series.
Teaching TG track series. If you want it, put it in the comment section down below.
And if you're a sponsor, you want to get behind it, and you want to be involved, and your brand involved in the whole series, hit Archie's email or my email. Because we're now thinking about dates.
You love it, don't you?
What do you mean?
You'll get a nice brand involved, yeah.
Would be cool.
There potentially could be some sort of track series which we could do. The plan for next year is not just to be in car parks and filming videos and stuff like that.
Oh, that's my plan.
That's Tom's plan. That happens all on Tom's channel. But on this channel, we want to go racing. We want to do fun stuff. And you can come and support me at my first race. You can take a video if you want to once I've rolled at turn 1. You can also film when the medical car overtakes me into turn 1. There's lots there.
I'll be at the bottom of the grandstand with rotten fruit, so you can throw at him on the way past.
And it all is all part of the channel. So yeah, everything is happening.
No, it's an exciting year, genuinely. I'm not just going to churn in car parks. I've got some horrible stuff coming. You're all in trouble.
You actually don't.
Oh, you have no idea.
Okay, we've just jumped out. I will show you because it's had a little bit of a seeing to the front, so you can't actually fully see, but you can still see. Oh no, you can see. You can actually still see. It's still.
Shall I get my Huawei light on there, Archie?
Yeah, can you?
Hold on 1 second. Sorry. Just.
Yeah, there you go. But you can still see that. That's.
I mean, that's not nice, mate. Look, that's not. That's all scuffed.
Look here.
That's horrible. You've been done.
Yeah, look, you see it's down there as well. And I don't.
You've had it. Is that? Oh, is that scratched?
No, I think it's okay actually. The carbon. But here, you can shine at the bottom of that.
Yeah, you've lost paint there.
Actually. But look at this, look at that scratch. Like, it's actually like...
It's not great, I'll be honest, actually. That's worse than I thought it'd be.
It's actually, it's actually really annoying.
You've had a shocker.
So, not the best way to end sort of 2019, so to speak, but everything is going to be fixed. It's not a huge drama, just a little bit annoying. Things can get fixed. Like I say, I know people that can hopefully get it fixed, but this stuff does cost money, and I'm sure if you guys at home have ever been in this situation where something like that's happened, it's just a bit annoying, to be honest, that, so to speak. That's but also, which is good news, and Tom actually doesn't know this, but he might know soon, in January, first 2 weeks of January, there's going to be a big announcement on my channel, and that is all regarding next year's racing and team potentially that I'm going with and everything, all at the sort of Autosport show. So we're actually going to be at the Autosport show.
Oh, can I come back in?
Yeah, you can.
I didn't actually go anywhere. I'm going to be Autosport as well. I've got a huge announcement, a new business being launched there as well.
Right, there we go. So yeah.
And the Pista will be there launching the business.
Announcements galore, Autosport show. So if you want to come and meet myself and Tom, you're going to be there. What days? Thursday, Friday,
all
Saturday?
Of them.
Okay, all of them. I think I'm going to be there. Yeah, I think I'm going to be there, all of them as well. So announcements coming galore, and racing, all sorts is all coming. Racing again.
Racing.
Are you actually going to come and watch? Don't say and don't turn up.
I like it. I want to see you like loading, turn 1, just loading everyone. Use them as your brakes.
Well, they did that before. That didn't go well.
But they loved it.
Yeah, I know. People watched it.
I loved it. They all loved it.
Yeah, everyone just wants to see me.
A little bit more destruction next time if possible, not just a bit of paint.
I actually want to win the championship. So I'm now back, and yeah, not the best way to sort of end 2019. An update. Still not found the person who did it. That's one thing that really gets to me a little bit, that it happened and someone obviously reversed into my car, and you know what, things can get fixed. That's honestly not the problem. It's more the thing, if someone left me a note and just said, really sorry, just driven into your car, you know what, I probably wouldn't have even called them. It would just be the appreciation that they've just done it, you know, that they've recognised they've just done it. But the bit that gets me, I've only had that car like 6 weeks and someone has driven into it but not admitted it, and that's just a little bit annoying. And we're working very hard on the CCTV. We will obviously find the person that did it. We'll find the number plate, and then I'll get to the bottom of it in terms of who actually did it. I just want to know, because it's just, yeah, when you own a car, any car in the world, it doesn't matter what car, it's just, yeah, that's the part that gets me, when someone just you know, drives off. It's just a bit annoying. It's very disappointing. So it will be sorted, like I say, but just not the best way to end the year. But if I just know, if I messed up like that and by accident maybe you weren't concentrating, I'd leave a note and just be like, give me a ring. That doesn't happen to any of you guys, but what I want to say is a massive thank you to all of the support which has been happening from you guys in 2019. It really has been amazing, supporting my journey. Without you guys, these videos would not happen, and everything, so I really do appreciate that. And next year, this is going to be used, which is a good thing. We're rounding off the year, and my helmet is going to be used because the announcement is coming shortly, and I'm going to be racing next year. That is the plan, and I want to win championships, and it's all going to be documented on this channel. There's just so much exciting stuff happening next year, and I can't wait. Racing, I just can't wait to be back. I can't wait to be back, and things like this, Le Mans, going down the sort of Mulsanne straight and things. It's not a hint to what I'm doing, or maybe it is. We will see. You will see very shortly, because the announcement is due. Just be back behind the wheel is just get you guys involved. Come down to the races. I've just got so many different ideas. I even had an idea of a subscriber wrap, so you guys can actually have all your pictures on the cars and on the car, the race car and things. Just so many different things which we can do, get you guys all involved. It's 2020 is going to be amazing, but like I say, I wish you and your family, everyone, a massive, massive happy Christmas. Have a good one. Don't eat too much. I hope you get in terms of your presents as well that you want, and wishing you all a very healthy and happy 2020. So thank you again for all your support. I'm gonna do some phone calls and get the SVR sorted as well, but thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you haven't already, and I'll see you all racing.